Hi there, my name is Darlene Martin-Stuart. I've been making glass for almost 20 years and I almost never show people the process. But we were given an opportunity to join in on the Lennox and Addington Studio Tour happening this September 9th and 10th from 10 until 5, both days. And my husband and I are both professional artisans, and we have a little gallery out here on Amherst Island called the Gallery at Rossland Gardens. And during the studio tour, it is a studio tour, we will have our studios open in the main house. And I'll probably stay out in the gallery and Ross will be here to show the studios to you. I love what I do and I'm really looking forward to meeting you and showing you what I do and talk to you a bit about my process. And it's worth a trip to Amherst Island. We are the only stop on Amherst Island, but this studio tour is fantastic and it goes through the entire county. So again, the Lennox and Addington Studio Tour is happening on September 9th and 10th, and we hope to see you.